In ZWCAD 2025 1.2, we added the drawing view function that lets you quickly create drawings from 3D models. You can find the drawing view tab in Ribbon. You can adjust the drawing standards such as the projection type, and line width. After setting the drawing standards, select the base view. You can place the base view in an existing layout or a new one. Specify the location of base view, then set its orientation and scale. After setting up the base view, confirm the positions of the other projected views. Double-click the view to launch the drawing view editor. You can adjust the appearance of views to meet different requirements. Make sure the Auto Update button is turned on. The drawing view will automatically update if you make changes to the model. If you turn it off, the drawing view won't update automatically with the changes. You can then click the Auto Update button, and the drawing view will update automatically with the model. The drawing view lets you quickly generate 2D drawings from 3D models with automatic updates. Interested? Download ZWCAD 2025 1.2 and try it now.